Coding is the future of language. My name is Shadow Sheep. I've been teaching coding for a little more than a year. If you're looking to learn about coding and apply to the real world, this is the right channel for you. We are going to read the instructions. Then after that, we're going to do the code, which is right here. Well, over here, we are going to do HTML with CSS. Add a script tag. This web page has HTML tags and CSS. Yes, it has HTML, but no script tag. But no JS in it yet. Add a script tag to the bottom so that you can manipulate the web page with JS. So, let's see here. Well, we're going to add a script tag to the bottom of it, which is at the bottom. So what we do, no JS in it yet. Okay, we better put it here. Script. The best practice is to put the script in the bodies tag. Okay. That's perfect. Replace the web page with JS instead. Inside the script tag, use a line of code that we showed to replace the contents of the web page with a custom message instead. It can say whatever you want, as long as a few letters long. We'll explain more about how that line of code works in the next talkthrough. Document.body inner HTML equals what I wanted to say. Let me think. For real, it says he didn't fall. Inconvincible. You keep using that word. I do not think it means what you think it means. Probably I'll say. That's what I'll do. So, challenge a script tag. Replace the web page with JS. That's what we did. Choose document.body.inner HTML. And I put it in. Maybe, I think I'm going to change it. Just as it says in the hint, inconvincible. I'll just copy that and paste it. Inconvincible. So, we have already replaced the web page with JS. Let's go to step 1. Add a script tag. Yeah, we've done that. Incredible. So, these challenges are pretty simple, but there's also walkthroughs that can teach you how to use them. Like, for an example, here, the script tag, we can add that. And also, we could add text. What should the text be? Hello. I'll say hello world. Not around 20, 400, 200. 20? I don't see it. Maybe I'll just delete it. Congratulations! So we have completed the challenge, which is called a script tag. So we have done all what the instructions has said, so it can give us lots and lots of points. So now Mohammed Rashid Kamal is going to ask me some questions that we've learned from this program.
Yeah, give me 1 minute, okay? So hey Shadi, this is really great, and I'm really happy to see that you did the scripted tag. Shadi, I want to ask you a couple of questions in this in your code here. What is the first line here? You have the head. What did the head mean in HTML? And there is also a body here. If you can explain that for us, that would be great.
So the body right there, it means anything in between the body will be shown in the program. The other ones won't.
On the front end. You mean on the front end. So from the back end, any code you write in the body will show up in your front end part of the code. Okay,
yes.
Great. So the head contain here like the title and the style as well. Okay, awesome, Shadi. So if you can tell us the opening and closing for this script. There is a script opening and closing. In between you write some script here, say document.body, that inner HTML. If you can explain, that would be great.
So you see the script tag? This means anything in between it is JavaScript.
Right.
Well, if you've seen in the other episodes, I've been talking about JavaScript, and you did not see me have this kind of thing in JavaScript. Like in the other times when I was making videos like these, I was doing JavaScript.
Okay.
Yes.
You're just gonna refer them to look at the other videos. Would you gonna add that one on the description?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate that, Shadi. Alright, another thing here, I see them styling here, say strong. What is strong stands for? Is it something weak, not strong? What does that mean?
Well, no. Strong, it usually means, if you see, if I delete this, it shows this. It's bold. Instead of using strong, you could say, let's use bold instead.
Okay.
But it could give you an error.
Okay.
So instead you use strong to make it look like bold.
I love it. So you're making it bold. So that's the language for this code to make things
Yes.
bold. Alright, another thing is background dash color is blue. What does that mean, Shadi, please?
Okay, so if you want to learn more about these, like CSS, you can see the other videos in the past that
What
I
is
made.
CSS?
Oh, CSS is the style sheet.
The style sheet. Okay, cascading style sheet.
Cascading style sheet, which is usually about style. Like right here, it says background color.
You make it.
It will edit the background color. Like you can use CSS, JavaScript, and HTML together.
Got you. Okay,
Yes.
Okay. Awesome.
So usually the main page is about HTML
Okay.
and about CSS.
HTML is like the backbone.
The backbone.
Okay.
Because it displays text.
Okay.
And CSS is about style.
Ooh.
And by the way, JavaScript is usually about making. Well, JavaScript is like CSS and yes, it's like CSS and HTML combined together. Because with JavaScript you can make anything.
Right.
Well, CSS is just about style.
Right.
And HTML is the backbone, which means it just only displays text. You can only make text.
Nice. Thank you so much, Shadi. I'm so happy to see that this challenge is done successfully. How many points you got, Shadi? It was 200
Okay.
points?
I'm not sure, but if we just...
Ooh,
Wow.
1050 points. Congratulations, Shadi, one more time. And thank you for being here with us to demo this at the Success Coach. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, and at the Global Mindset University as well, guys. If you go into the Global Mindset University playlist, you can find Learn Programming with Sharia. That's one of the famous playlists we have. We'll have a lot of videos over there. This is episode...
around episode
11.
1.
So we have,
episode 1 of HTML combined with
exactly.
with
That's where you
JavaScript.
can find. But this is a subsequent episode, and this is gonna be episode 11. You will see it there. You will find it there. And if you wanna learn a lot of programming and coding, you can go to the Global Mindset University or the Success Coach. My name is Muhammad Rashid Kamal.
And my name is Ashar Rashid.
Don't forget to like,
Comment.
and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's because it shows us, engagement to YouTube, that our video is really valuable. So if you like it, like it. If not, give us a thumb down and give us some feedback so we can improve for the
On
next
the
time.
comments below.
Exactly.
Oh, and I almost forgot. You should also share this video and also click the subscribe.
What's
also
your
click
email? If they
the...
want to send them directly, make sure Shadi.
Oh yes, if you want to directly email me, then you could go to my email, which is askashadi@servicenowstar.com. So, that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! See you on the next episode.